Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export file as GIF in Shotcut. There is one method that I normally use, so I'm going to share this method with you. First, we need to select our video, and after that we need to go to the left upper corner and click on File. Then we need to go to Export the Video or use shortcut from keyboard Ctrl-E. So I click somewhere here. You will see here a list of available formats. I recommend you to go to MPG4 on your list, and then you need to go to Advanced Settings. On Video Settings, we need to change format from AVI to GIF, so I select this one option. I recommend you to change frames to 20 here, and then we need to go to Codec and change codec from MPG4 to GIF. Then I recommend you to go to Audio, and if you want you can disable audio. Okay, so now we are ready to export our GIF. I click Export File button, and then on file name I will type simple GIF. Now it's really important action. We need to click dot on our keyboard and type here GIF. Now we click save button, and after a moment your file will be successfully exported as GIF. So how you see, we have successfully exported GIF on this path, and it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work, and do not forget to check links in the description.